Hi, Karen at Aromatics International here. Today we're making our July recipe of the month, Eucalyptus Bug Spray. We're out in the forest where I live, and oftentimes I do encounter bugs of some sort, mosquitoes, different things that are kind of uncomfortable. So to make this blend, we're using peppermint hydrosol. We have Solubol that we're using to help disperse our essential oils of cedarwood, Eucalyptus citriodora, and patchouli into this easy-to-make mosquito spray. Let's make it. This is a 4-ounce PET bottle. I'm going to put 1/4 of this bottle, which is 1 ounce, of my peppermint hydrosol. There we go. If you get a little bit more, not to worry about that. Now we're going to add our essential oils. 20 drops of our cedarwood, which is Juniperus virginiana, really great for keeping bugs at bay. And it smells so good. There we go, got our 20 drops in there. 20 drops of our Eucalyptus citriodora, which is also renowned for keeping bugs at bay. And it smells delicious too, kind of lemony and eucalyptusy. Already smells delicious. And then 20 drops of patchouli. Smells very earthy, very woodsy, and bugs don't like this smell. Patchouli is thicker and it takes a little bit longer for each drop. And there we go, 20 drops. Now I have a little 15 ml, like a measuring device, but we're going to put 10 mils of Solubol in to help the water portion blend in with the essential oils. We'll pour 10 mils. There we go. Put it right into our blend. You see it changes the color, and it just disperses the essential oils into the water. Now for the rest of our blend, we're going to use plain water to fill it up to about the top. And then I'll leave room to put my sprayer in. And when you use this, just simply give it a good shake. Every time that you use it, and then you just spray. And watch those bugs fly away. It smells so good. It supports my health. It helps me to feel great in the outdoors. See you next time.